We use the regular scissor grip almost exclusively because over the years it has proven to be the superior scissor grip. So we recommend you always use regular grip when manipulating, catching, or tossing scissors. Now I want to be clear, Circus Grips is not a bad grip. It's very useful for all kinds of juggling tricks, multiplexes, numbers juggling, passing, collecting. It's a good grip. It's just not a good grip for scissor catches. Remember that. Now, the big question is, how can I tell the difference between circus and regular grip? Notice in regular grip, the top club is always pointed or angled toward the inside. Circus grip, the club on the top is held by the thumb. No matter which grip you're in, the top club is angled toward the inside. This is the easiest visual way to understand the difference. Eventually, you'll be able to tell the difference between circus and regular grip without even looking at it. There's a certain feel to it that you'll get used to.